Hi, in this video I want to share with you a quotation system I use myself. I find that it's very useful. Now, for example, I have a course that I want to talk about. I can just change it, and you notice that this will change, right? Now, if I want to include the date, and when I put a yes here, right, and it will print it out the course date. If I put a no, it will not, right? If I put a yes, then you can see that it changed right there, and this I change, and you can see that it's not there. The time is not inclusive there, so I can list out the rest of the services I provided. You can use it, right? I don't want to show the value, it is just gone, right? And I don't want the know who is a trainer. It's just right there, and the rate is I already put it here. If I just change it to say 10 people, under 10 people, then the rate is 200, and times 2 days about 4,000, right? So all this is already automated, and also I can just add the look, there's a quotation number 1437. If I just added this is 1437, and I can just click PDF, it convert this into quotations. And now let me just start up my Outlook, right? And I can just click email buttons to email to these persons under the Baker's Man 01, and the code, then the email system is right there. It's all generated with the power of Excel VBA. So if you're interested to know more or learn how to create this step by step piece, visit the link below. Thank you for watching.